Dear visitors, welcome back to 5 Minute School. In the discussion of speaking of Bengali language, we have learned Sorbornno and Borno. Now we will learn the short form of Sorbornno and Borno. It's called Kar and Fola. Now we will learn the short form of Sorbornno. It's called Kar. Let's get started. There are 10 kar as a short form of Sorbornno. Now we will look and pronounce one by one. This one, Akar, short form of Shorea. This one, Roshikar, short form of Roshoi. This one, Dirghikar, short form of Dirghoi. This one, Rashukar, short form of Rashu. This one is Dirghukar, short form of Dirghu. This one, Rikar, short form of Ri. This one, Ekar, short form of A. This one is Oikar, short form of Oi. This one is Okar, short form of O. And this one is Okar, short form of O. And that's it all. I will end today's discussion here, but the link of the previous discussion is in the description, and if you want to show on the I button, you can also watch it on end screen and be the first to get notification by subscribing to the channel. Oh yes, don't forget to share and comment. Goodbye. See you in the new video. Thanks.